How can I troubleshoot network connection problems on my consumer cellular phone?
Hello there. Are you having problems with your network connection on your consumer cellular phone? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to troubleshoot common network connection problems. Let's get you back online.
Understanding the problem.
First, you need to understand the nature of the problem. Are you experiencing slow internet speed? Unable to connect to the network at all? Or maybe calls are dropping? Take note of what's happening. Understanding the problem helps us find the best solution.
Checking your connection settings.
Before anything else, make sure your phone is connected to the network. You can do this by checking your phone's connection settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your phone. Look for the section for network or wireless connections. Here, you should see whether your cellular data is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it and see if this solves your problem.
Restart your phone.
Sometimes, the solution can be as simple as turning your phone off and then back on. This can help reset your phone's connection to the network.
Reset your network settings.
If you're still having issues, try resetting your network settings. This will reset all your network-related settings to default, including Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. You can do this by going to your settings, find the option for Reset. It's usually under System or General Management, and select Reset Network Settings. Remember, this will forget all your saved networks and passwords.
Contacting customer support.
If you've tried everything above and the issue persists, it might be time to contact Consumer Cellular's customer support. They can provide further assistance, such as checking if there's a problem with your area's network coverage or guiding you through more advanced troubleshooting steps. So that's it. These are some simple yet effective ways to troubleshoot network problems on your consumer cellular phone. We hope this has been helpful and you're now back to browsing, streaming, and connecting with ease. Remember, when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. They're there to help you. Stay connected.